Good morning. Yes, it is still morning. I did a video the other day. I didn't get to post it yet, but it was illustrating a very important point about duct cleaning and about preparation for duct cleaning and about methods and practices for proper duct cleaning and proper control over dust escaping, a very imperfect process. This is a much better illustration of that situation. It's also an illustration of what you do not want to be part of your HVAC system. So we're going to kill two birds with one stone in this video. It's very efficient. We're going to maximize value here for your time, and I love it. So what we have here is a return duct, one of four for one of 7 systems in this house. So this product right here is called Grill Mask. It's about $35 a roll, it's something that makes a big difference because truck mount duct cleaning companies don't use it. 99% of them do not. They rely on their fantastic 15,000 CFM truck mount outside your house, which is never 15,000 CFM at the point of connection. When you have 100 to 200 feet of hose and restriction and joints that are leaking, maybe you end up with 8 to 10,000 CFM. With 3 portable units running 20 feet away from our systems, I have about 8,500 CFM. So, you know, this is the dust that would be in this room on these beautiful surfaces here, which it is not, if we didn't use this grill mask. And it's what it is in the room when contractors who clean your ducts don't use grill mask. This is what would be in the room when you go inside this duct system. Now, some ducts are metal. This happens to be an open return plenum, and we're going to talk about that next. Grill mask is a must. The suction of the truck mount vacuum outside is not enough to stop fine particulate from escaping the duct cleaning process. That's just a fact. Here's evidence of that fact right in front of you. So next we move on to the open plenum return. So this is a cube, a wall essentially. Behind this wall right here and to the left is a closet. This is all structural framing, and then you have interior finishes with drywall. So we had to treat this entire thing like a duct and clean all the way up. That metal duct up there is a wall register for the same system, a hallway return outside. And it's all using this same open beam space and wall space and everything else. This is the last thing that you want to see in your house. Very common. Unfortunately, this is a little more intricate. This house is large. There's many systems. Space was at a premium when designing systems because architects don't think that ducts need to go anywhere. But all that being said, insist is a strong word. Request that your contractors use grill mask. It's a readily available product. I bought 8 cases this morning. It's just something that can be done to make the process a very imperfect process, less potentially hazardous for you, your health, and your home. And it allows more capture of dust by the process and less dust escaping. Again, a very imperfect process. As far as the returns go, if you ever have an HVAC system installed in your house, all the air should be going through a duct, whether it's flex duct, which is a little unpopular, but I believe unjustifiably so. If it's installed properly, it's only 2% less efficient than rigid metal duct. We're touching on a few subjects in this video, so value just went up again. It's only 2% less efficient than rigid metal duct of similar size, so 8-inch versus 8-inch, 6-inch versus 6-inch, only 2% less efficient. Now, if it's installed properly, means that it's pulled tight, so the duct is cut at a very specific length, and the turns that a flex duct make can only be at a maximum radius. It can't make 90-degree bends. That's not what it's for. If you have to make a 90-degree bend and you're using flex duct, you got to put an elbow in. It's better for airflow, and it's better for particulate buildup, because particulate buildup is going to happen on the inside edge of that 90-degree turn with flex duct. You're going to decrease the effective size of that duct. If you decrease the size of the duct anywhere in the run, you've essentially decreased the amount of air that can flow through that duct total. The total volume of air that's possible through that duct, it has now been reduced, and as such, you're going to increase noise. So the system is going to try to move that same volume of air that it was moving before. So there's going to be turbulence, there's going to be noise, and you can have noises inside your wall, which is this duct that's pinched down and not able to move the amount of air that it was designed to move. I think we've touched on enough. No open returns when possible. If you have to have an open return, have that material coated with some sort of zero VOC HVAC approved encapsulant. Fiberlock makes one. You can even use Sentinel's 24/7 zero VOC encapsulant. Again, we use clear if we ever use it. I haven't used Sentinel in months, actually over a year. We haven't encapsulated anything. If you can't pass PRB without encapsulant, you probably need to go back to the drawing board a little bit. We do it all the time. Everybody have a great day.